Sunday, the 22nd of November 2009, and the Manchester Phoenix are taking to the ice once again in their special charity fundraising Children in Need shirts. The visitors this evening are the Milton Keynes Lightning, who are also wearing fundraising shirts of their own. Their cause of choice, Help for Heroes. In the 8th minute of the game, it's the Phoenix who get off the mark first, with a goal from Robert Lakovitz. The assists going to Jaco Hagelberg and Luke Boothroyd. With no further goals in the first 20 minutes, the first period comes to an end with the scoreline Phoenix 1, Lightning 0. The second period sees chances for both the Manchester Phoenix and the Milton Keynes Lightning, both teams on the attack, but it's the netminders making the difference. Barry Holyhead between the pipes for Milton Keynes, Stephen Fone in the nets for Manchester. Both netminders keeping a clean sheet in the second period, so we go into the third period with a scoreline of Manchester Phoenix 1, Milton Keynes Lightning 0. Into the third period, and in the 47th minute the Phoenix buy themselves a little breathing space. Jaco Hagelberg with the goal, the assist going to Greg Wood. In the 50th minute, it's Ian Bowie versus Grant McPherson. In the 56th minute, the Lightning get a goal back through Adam Carr, with the assists going to Monir Kalgoum and Andre Smulter. With 5 seconds remaining on the clock, it's Ed Courtney with an unassisted empty net goal to secure the win and take the points for Manchester. It's first versus second, and Manchester Phoenix come out still on top. Final score, Manchester Phoenix 3, Milton Keynes Lightning 1.